All right, wrapping up concept number 21 about triangle sum theorem and exterior angle theorem. I've got some examples here. So this guy right here and this guy right here, you're going to be finding me some angle measures for the following triangle. These two examples right here, these are your triangle sum theorem. So all those interior angles should add up to 180 degrees. Then I got two more examples down here. Kind of give them a different symbol. These are my exterior angle theorems. Okay, and so here you've got some angles that you're going to be finding for me. They're numbered in here in your picture, and then some of them are labeled here. So make sure that you know how this notation works with your picture. So you can be finding me some angle measures using that triangle sum theorem and exterior angle theorem. And then we've got one more problem after that, which I'll talk about this one here in a couple minutes. So go ahead and pause the video and try these two out. Triangle sum theorem, exterior angle theorem. Try them. All right, so up here, here's what we got. We've got these three angles in here. I want to know what the measure of angle 1 is. So all I need to know is that all three of these angles inside here, they have to add to 180. So 79 degrees plus 41 degrees plus whatever angle 1 is. I don't know, just put it as a question mark. We don't know it. That's going to be my measure of angle 1, though, right there, okay? All this has to add to 180 degrees. So it's just like a small little equation that we're solving. So 79 and 41, well, let's see here. That gives me 0, carry the 1. So 8 plus 4, what? Gives me 120. Plus whatever my missing angle is, that has to give me 180 degrees. So what plus 120 will give me 180 degrees? Well, that's like just like subtracting 120 from both sides, like solving an equation. And my missing angle is 60 degrees. Okay, and if I plug that back in and add all these up in my calculator, I should get 180 degrees. Now this one, I didn't even draw you a picture, but if you need a picture, because sometimes pictures are worth 1,000 words, especially in geometry, you know, A, B, C, and then angle X is 0, or excuse me, angle A is X degrees, angle B is 2X degrees, angle C is X plus 20 degrees. So you can see that this really is just your triangle sum theorem. All I got to do is just add all these guys up. That's just like X plus 2X plus X plus 20, because these are my three angles, right? Degrees, of course. Equal to 180 degrees. Well, all we got to do is put our like terms together. These guys right there, they go together. So that's 1x plus 2x plus 1x. So it'll be 4x plus 20 equals 180 degrees. Do some solving, subtract 20, subtract 20. We get 4x equal to 160 degrees. Divide by 4, divide by 4. X is equal to 40, right? 40 degrees. So if I want to know what each of these measures are, I'm just going to take my answer here and I'm going to plug it back in. So angle A was whatever X was. Well, that's 40 degrees. Measure of angle B, well, we take the 40 and we're going to multiply that by 2. So that's going to give me 80 degrees. And then the last one, I just take 40 plus 20. That's going to give me 60 degrees. So if you notice that if I take 40 plus 80 plus 60, all that adds up to 180 degrees, which is what we want. All right, now exterior angle theorem. Exterior angle theorem says that if I take these two angles right here, add them together, I get that guy. Well, that's just a simple equation. So I got 30 degrees plus whatever that one is has to equal 72 degrees, because this is my exterior angle theorem. My two opposite angles add together to give me my exterior angle. So just subtract 30 minus 30, and that gives us 42 degrees. And there it is. Down here, it's the same idea. Again, if I just take angle 2 and angle 3, add them together, it should give me the measure of angle 1. Measure of angle 2 plus the measure of angle 3 equals the measure of angle 1. So just plug in what you know. Measure of angle 2 is 4x plus 2. Plus measure of angle 3, which is 2x minus 9. Has to equal measure of angle 1, which is 5x plus 13. So 4x and 2x give me 6x. 2 and negative 9 give me negative 7, equal to 5x plus 13. subtract the 5x. So what I did a moment ago, I put those two guys together, if you're just curious about what I did. Okay, subtract 5x from both sides. It gives me x minus 7 equal to 13. Add 7, add 7. So we know that x, whatever it is, it's 20 degrees. So all we got to do to solve for each one of these angles is plug 20 in for them. So measure of angle 1 is whatever 5 times 20 plus 13 is. Well, 5 times 20, that's 100 plus 13. Oh, sorry, can't see that. 5 times 20 plus 13, that's 100 plus 13, so that's 113 degrees. Measure of angle 2 is just 4 times 20 plus 2. Well, that would be 80 plus 2, which is 82 degrees. Measure of angle 3 is 2 times 20 minus 9. 2 times 20 is 40 degrees. Subtract 9 from that, and that's 31 degrees. And if you take these two and add them together, yes, they do add to 113 degrees.